What we have here is a standard 50-gallon residential water heater. You have upper thermostat, lower thermostat, upper element, lower element. That controls the water heater, sets the temperature. Your temperature adjustment setting is right here behind each panel. There's a little adjustment knob there to increase the temperature or decrease the temperature. What you do to one, you want to do to the other. You want them both to be matching in the same temperature range. Now you want to be careful setting it above 120 degrees. There is an increased risk of scalding. When we install a water heater, we repair water heaters, we will set the temperature at 120 degrees. If you want to go above that, that is your choice. This is how you do it.